The first digit is one of my favorite questions. Beautiful question. The first digit of a 4-digit number is equal to the number of zeros in the number. The second digit is equal to the number of ones in the number. Third digit is equal to the number of twos in the number. And the fourth digit is equal to the number of threes. Number of zeros, number of ones, number of twos, number of threes. Brilliant. How many numbers have this property? Beautiful question and one of my favorite questions. First of all, we know it's a 4-digit number. So what do we know? We know that the first digit is not 0. That much I know, because otherwise it won't be a 4-digit number. So the first digit could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4, and so on. It is not 0. The first digit were 1, that means this number has 1 0 in it. Beautiful. It has 1 0 in it. First digit were 2, that means this number has 2 zeros in it. First digit were 3, that means this number has 3 zeros in it. So 4, that's 4 zeros in it, and so on. But straight away, the moment I think this, if it has 3, it should have 3 zeros in it. It should have 0 0 0. But it has already 1 3 in it. So this number cannot be 0. 3 0 0 0 doesn't work. 3 zeros, 0 ones, 0 twos, and 0 threes. Not 0 threes, there's 1 3 sitting inside. This doesn't work. This number cannot have 4 zeros. It's a 4-digit number. It cannot have 4 zeros in it, because if I put 4 here, there's only room for 3 more digits. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are all out. Or my first digit can either be 1 or it can be 2. Nothing else is possible. Now I'm through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put the first digit as 1 and first digit as 2. Brilliant. First digit is 1. That means this number should have 1 0 in it. Right? This is not that 0. Why? This is the number of ones in the number. It's already 1 1. This is not 0. This could be 0 or this could be 0. I'm going to try to create that. I'm going to think about two numbers. Say 1 dash 0 dash or 1 dash dash 0. Nice. 1 dash 0 dash or 1 dash dash 0. This number has 1 0, 0 twos, so this should be 1s, 2s, 3s, 1 0, 0 twos, some number of 1s, some number of 3s. There has to be 1 3 in this number, at least. So this is not 0. If I put 3 3s in this number or 2 3s in this number, I don't have enough room. This is 1, this is 0. I cannot have this as 3, then I'll have 3 3s. That's not possible. I can have 1 3, which case this has to be 3. Or I can put 2 3s. There will be 2 3s. That's not possible. It has to be 1. 1 3, which case this is 3. 1 3 0 1. So 1 0 in this number. 3 1s in this number. Only 2 1s are there. No 2s in this number. That works. 1 3 in this number. That works. But this one gives way. It doesn't work. 1 3 0 1 does not work. Because there's 1 0 in the number. 2 3 1s need to be there. But this number 1 3 0 1 has only 2 1s. This also doesn't work. Let's go to 1 dash dash 0. There's 1 1 in the number. No 3 in the number. There's only 1 0 here. Both of these need to have numbers. Right? How many 1s are there? I cannot say 1 1 is there, because if I put 1 here, then there will be 2 1s. This number cannot be 1. It's not 0. It cannot be 1. It has to be 2, 3, something like that. I'm going to say, hey, let me put it as 2. 1 0, 2 1s, 1 1 is already here, the other one here, 1 2, no 3s. This works, brilliant, we are through. 1 2 1 0 work. 1 0 in the number, 2 1s in the number, this and this, 1, 2 in the number. Yeah, this is here. And no 3's in the number. Yeah, this works. Brilliant. Done. So 1, 2, 1, 0 works. I cannot have this digit as 1, 3. If it says 1, 3, all 3 digits have to be 3. Everything else has to be a 1. That's not possible. There's no 1, 2, 1, 4. None of these work. 1, 2, 1, 0 is the only possibility starting with 1. The starting digit can only be 1 or 2. Starting with 1, there's only one number. Starting with 2 is even simpler. Even simpler. Why is it even simpler? Because if you start with 2, there have to be 2 zeros in this number. And so I can say, hey, 2 zeros need to be in the number. This number already has a 2 in it. So this is the number of zeros, the number of 1s, number of 2s, number of 3s. This number already has a 0 in it. So this one cannot be 0. This number cannot have 0 2s. It already has a 2 in it. So if you have to have 2 zeros, they have to be here and here. Now let's think about this number. This number has 2 zeros. Yeah. 0 1s possible. That means this will not be 1. This, if I put 1 here, it will have 1, 2 in it. But then this will have to become 1. That doesn't work. If I put 2 here, 2 2's in it. Yes, that works. 2 and 2. No 3's in it. Done. 2 0 2 0 could also work. Just trial and error, but with being scientific about it. Beautiful question. 1 2 1 0 and 2 0 2 0 both work. Just pause and think about this question. The sum of the digits of this number should always be 4. The number of zeros, number of 1s, number of 2s, number of 3s. If you add all of that, then it should be 4. Only 4 digits are there. These should always add up to 4. That's another thing to keep in mind. The starting digit is either 1 or 2. It cannot be 0. It cannot be 3. Put it as 1, figure out every possibility. If you put it as 2, figure out every possibility. 1 2 1 0 and 2 0 2 0 both satisfy all the conditions given here. The conditions being, the first digit should be the number of zeros, second one should be the number of 1s, third one should be the number of 2s, last one should be the number of 3s. So 1 2 1 0 and 2 0 2 0 both were 2 numbers supposedly. Excellent question.